What's going on, YouTube? Casino Smooth here, and I just wanted to give you guys some clarity and direction for the day, and just kind of put you guys in a better spot for your music career. Okay, I was scrolling through Instagram like I usually do, and I seen a status or a post that said the new age marketing technique for rappers is either one, be gay, two, clout chase, right? Start beef with somebody else, or do something else for attention, right? And I pretty much said that's sad. That's all that the average rapper knows how to do because they've seen it done before. Through Lil Uzi, through Young Thug. All you guys have seen, 6ix9ine starting beef with everybody. All you guys have seen, hey, this is what works as far as, getting attention for myself. Let me try it too. These are the only avenues to getting attention for my brand, my music. Let me try it too. All right. And all that is just, that's marketing. That's getting attention is marketing, right? And I'm here to tell you guys that there's more ways to get attention for yourself. There's more ways to market your music than just, those three things, or the main three things that you've been seeing on social media. This video is not made to be a pitch. My company, I know we do marketing and promotion for music artists, but there's way other ways, and I just really want to open you guys up to the idea that, hey, you guys have to become marketing experts yourselves. If you're a music artist, labels, they're not really signing people who are at level 1 anymore. They're signing people who have everything together, all their ducks in a row. The artists that have all their, marketing in place, everything like that. So really, it's up to you, the music artist, to do a lot of research yourself on these marketing topics, right? How can I get my music out there? What best ways can I get my music out there? What is my audience? Who should I be targeting? What is brand development, right? Do I have an image, right? All these things you guys should be researching and learning yourselves, because you are an entrepreneur. You are a music artist, right? And most of you who follow my channel already get that idea and concept. The ones that follow me and other music marketing channels, you guys understand that. You guys get that. This is for the music artists who say, hey, I don't need all this extra stuff, right? I just need a manager. No, you need to educate yourself on, pretty much the steps of, becoming a music artist and how to further your career. So pretty much what I'm saying is times are changing, labels, they want music artists packaged together before they even throw some money at them. Okay, they're not taking any artists from scratch anymore unless you got major connections. So all I'm saying is that channels like mine and other channels, you guys need to be researching. You guys need to start doing your due diligence. And there should be no excuse for ignorance in this day and age with all this types of social media, YouTube, and all this education out here for you guys to go and get it yourself. So that's what we're trying to provide you with at ParadigmMusicGroup.com. All right. We got promotional. We'll cover all your promotional needs, but most importantly, you guys need to. I want to see more people, right, sharing posts like these, liking posts like these, getting the knowledge out. So that way, and no offense to all the drug dealers out there, or any other people that may have money, but that way, you kind of level the playing field, right? You don't want everybody who just has money to make it in music, right? You want the people that have strategy, knowledge to make it in music. Why? Because they bring more knowledge to the rap game, right? Everybody's asking, hey, how are all these stupid rappers getting on? Mumbo jumbo, mumble rappers. Well, because they got the most money, probably because they out here trapping, or that's what brings the most attention. I'm trying to give you guys an education. I'm trying to give every music artist the chance to get knowledge and succeed in their music career, so that way everybody has a chance to succeed, right? You may not have a big budget, but if you have marketing capabilities and marketing knowledge, you can use that, and next thing you know, you could be the next big artist, right? And you may actually have some substance in your content and in your music, and you can, if I start getting this out there enough, people can start changing the way music is, right? If I start educating enough people out there, then that means a lot of more educated music artists, which means a lot more quality music. Okay, think about it. So you know what, how about you share this video today? Like this video, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. You guys need to get educated. I want to see the smarter rappers step it up to the plate and getting some hot music out there, okay? And most importantly, I want to see everybody succeed and do the best, you know, pretty much get out there, man. I'm rooting for everybody. So Casino Smooth, visit the website, ParadigmMusicGroup.com, for all your promotional and educational needs. I'm out, guys.